bud. Yay! Well done.
We're making a tyre sculpture today. For the reservoir, because we've been working up the reservoir on the new ferry walk. So your job today, if you want to do it, is to get involved in building a seat for children. We wanted it to be child inspired, and they picked the theme of frogs because it's full of frogs.
My boys are currently helping with the tyres to make into a seating area. So they're actually getting really stuck in and loving that, and it's developing their skills amazingly for only 2.5-year-olds.
Where does this frog can actually be placed?
In the reservoir.
The reservoir?
Yeah.
Right, okay. So what have you done? Have you done any other work up on the reservoir yet, or?
Yeah.
What have you done?
Fairy doors, cleaning the pond and stuff like that.
Fantastic, and this is all part of the fairy walk then, is it? You tell me where it's going to go and then I'll mark it. I'm following your finger now, and I'm going to mark in here, because that's where Jaden is going to actually drill then. Jade, you're going to drill through there, okay?
So we're here today with the Fairy Walk sculpture, where it's given an opportunity for youths in the community to engage in a project that will not only support their well-being, but look at learning new skills, getting them engaged in a project that will encourage them to go on to engage with faith services.
Done that part. So you've done that part, right? Now, Milo, here we go. This is the tough one, right? Yeah. Because we need to go through that one, yeah, right? So we're going to push through, can you see? Yeah. Right? And now that we got it through there, we're going to put a washer on and a boat, okay?
Yeah. I love the messiness and stuff. I've been involved with projects here, like the graffiti and stuff. Makes my day then.
All the projects that Splat Cymru have produced over the last 5 years, some of the most important projects have been the one of upskilling. Because when Rhys came in, he was brilliant. He had a smile on his face because he started to see what was going on. So you've got to say, look, it's dancing. I think to be able to kind of get hands-on, be able to produce something that then people are going to find of worthwhile, is a real kind of self-esteem. You see them crack a smile, you know, and they may not have smiled that day, but they cracked that smile purely because of the achievement that they've done. And you see them laughing, you see them joking, you see them working together, you see that kind of that collaboration that they do, the sharing of a journey of creating a sculpture such as this one.
Put down, boys.
Wait.
Put down.
First standing up.
So the reservoir project has been set up by myself and my team in Carmarthen Youth Service, and the young people of Carmarthen area, in particular vulnerable young people aged 16 to 25. It's all volunteering, it's all hard work by young people. They're all working towards volunteering award, which will help them to enter into education, employment and training a bit easier in the future.
Josh is actually sitting inside the fog to see if everything's in place and things.
Do we want a tongue? Huh? Do we want a tongue? Yes. Of course you need a tongue. It's a frog. The best feature about a frog is its tongue. It's the way. Phew!
It's good for the community though. It's good for people to get out and actually do something. I've done it quite a lot, and to be fair, it's actually quite good. It's really nice up there. It'd be good for children. It's good for the little children to see. I've seen loads of children up there and they love it.
The beauty of today is actually having Splat Cymru to be able to come in and to actually provide specialist skills with equipment that we would never have been able to access before.
That's it, and pull it, and that's it, keep it going and pull it back. Well done.
Oh, that's good, that does.
That is amazing.
You alright here, my lovely? You can do the tongue. Just bring this tongue out so we can get it. See it?
I like what you've done with the end of the tongue as well.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, you did say about getting it into that position.
It's been really good to paint this and to make this lovely colourful frog. It's calming to do. Yeah, I really enjoyed it. I always do it.
Today is a great way of creating something, using different new skills they're learning, and also creating something that can be put in the community, that can be used by the community. So it's really important that this kind of funding is out there for people to access.